As we navigate through our new normal here at Three Ways Beautiful Salon, we want you to know that your safety and well-being matters to us. In preparation to our reopening, we have set new protocols in place for everyone's safety. We kindly ask that when you arrive, that you give us a call, and we will call you when your stylist is ready for you. We ask that you come alone to your service unless you have other family members who have appointments as well. Please only bring necessary items into the salon and use the sanitation stations outside or up front to wipe off your hands and anything that you bring in with you. As you enter the salon, first we would like to welcome you back and let you know how much we have missed each and every one of you. You will be greeted by our receptionist and asked a few COVID-19 questions. We ask that if you are not feeling well to please reschedule. We ask that our guests wear masks to comply with our guidelines, please, and we do have disposable masks for sale for a small fee if needed. Due to social distancing guidelines, we have spaced our stylists to 6 feet apart. While in quarantine, our staff brushed up on proper sanitation and disinfectant practices and procedures. Throughout the salon, you will see disinfectants, Clorox wipes, and hand sanitizers for our use as well as our guests. During each service, we will take necessary measures, especially at the shampoo bowl, to protect our guests' eyes, nose, and mouth, as well as our staff. We will be heavily sanitizing before, during, and after each service. Feel free to shop all of our amazing products to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. We are accepting all forms of payment, and again, we'll be sanitizing after each use. We want to thank everyone for their patience and understanding during this unprecedented time. We look forward to seeing you all very soon. Be safe, be well, be kind, and stay beautiful.